mobility solution.
Oh, it's another power chair to show you how to unbox and do a review of. Dude, this thing, to be honest with you, it's not like a 27-pound unit, but might be too heavy for you. Well, you are old.
And work out.
We'll see if you can pick it up. Hot shot. Catch. 50 pounds, I'll be dang. Just a smooth chair, so yes. If you're looking at this chair online, I know we're not a dealer of them yet, but I think you're gonna like it. It's a nice chair. What is it, the Super PI? The P2. All right, so we got another power chair again to review. And it looks like this thing came, the company's out of Europe. It's manufactured in China by Super PI Robot Company. And this is the P2 electric power wheelchair. So let's go ahead and open the box. I know they have some other cool stuff, Louis, that I think that they might send to us. So we're super excited to get the opportunity to be doing some of these reviews for you. And we did tell them we do true reviews. I know there was another company that I'm not signing a contract with, so I'm just not gonna do it. I just don't think I need to. So I don't know what this is. Huh, interesting. First time doing unboxing, we will figure this out. Let's see what else is in here. It's packaged extremely well. So here's your manual, looks pretty easy to read, but we don't read manuals. We might have to read that one. Here comes a charger. Yeah, pretty basic. It's a lithium battery, we know that. I mean, I can tell you this seems like it's going to be pretty cool, Louis. Wow. Wow is right. A removable battery, lightweight, very lightweight. Charging ports right here. You know I like the charging port on the batteries, and they also have the charging port on the joystick, so that's super cool. It's a 240 watt hour battery, 10 amp hours, 24 volt, lithium, so it is TSA approved. Super light. See if it stands up on its own. It does. All right. How things are changing in this business is just insane. But dude, this thing, to be honest with you, when they sent me an email, I was like, sure, I'll do it. What I liked about this company so far is the communication's been good between us. They didn't make me sign a contract. I literally say this to everyone. I'll do the review, but I don't always do the reviews to favor you as the manufacturer or the distributor of the product. Another company's trying to get me to do a review with me signing an agreement with certain things that I'm just not going to do. So if you want to send me something, you can, but it's not going to be, I'm not going to be on contract. Now, I don't know how heavy this is. I haven't really checked the specs out, but I'm sure Louis will add some of that stuff in. You probably would want to cut the box. Dude, it's not that bad. It's not like a 27-pound unit, but once you get it out the box, I mean, it's a robot. And it's really not that heavy. Let's get the cushion out. Really is. See if you can pick that up, Chris. Just, I don't know how to pick it up quite yet, but just see if you can. That's pretty lightweight for what it is.
Very lightweight.
Might be a new chair for Louis. Let's look at this. Motors, nice. Yeah, you probably can. Interesting. There's a handle right here. Oh, that is super cool. You could do leverage loading with this. All right, here's a test. I doubt it's gonna stand up. It can't. Can we make it stand up? But it rolls good. Might be too heavy for you. See if you can pick it up.
You want me to act like I'm just old and don't work out?
Well, you are old.
And work out.
We'll see if you can pick it up. Hot shot. Maybe not like that.
Yeah,
It looks heavier than it is.
It looks heavier. I mean, that's 50 pounds plus. 50
You think?
pounds?
We'll have to do a weight test on that. I don't think it's 50 pounds.
Hold that. We'll do the weight.
I mean, I'm not picking 50 pounds up over my head. Pete, catch. It's probably 50 pounds. Here, we'll grab it right here.
Yeah, use that.
Yes.
Slick looking little guy there. You know what that looks like?
Well, it has a lot of similarities to some other units around here. 50 pounds, I'll be dang. 50 pounds.
Yeah, it looks like a hybrid nice wheel.
It has the same removable battery as the wheel, but they have the charger at the front. But I do like this, and I bet you can leverage load this into a car. Because look how high that is. There's a lever here. I like that. Simple. I like that it's not powered. Spring loaded. Now the question is, how do you get it back down? All right, so what we'll have to do is, unfortunately, go to
Not the manual.
all right, well, I'm not gonna do the manual quite yet, Louis. Oh. You don't even have to use that. Pull this up and push it down. Let me get this seat belt. I'd probably take this seat belt and take it off. Cool. That's neat. We do gotta charge this. Here, charge it. All right, so yeah, these are just stickers.
Like felt paper, kind of like.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of texture to it, buddy. You know who's really good at doing this? Is Callan.
Really?
Oh, he loves stickers. I'm scared. I think I only get one shot at this. No, that wasn't bad.
Not bad.
I wonder why they do that though. I mean, it's not in the world. I mean,
They keep changing the packaging on these things.
I think I like this foot plate. Yeah, flip back arms. Dude, the cushion's actually really nice. It feels good. I like this joystick. It's different. 16 inches. 18 top of the seat cushion. Flips way out the way. 24 inches there. Ground clearance actually is really nice. Yeah, you almost got about 3 inches.
Normally that's the lowest part of it.
Yeah, it is. But there's no bag or basket. I like the cushion. Well, there's got to be a way you could turn that off. It gives you the percentage of the battery. First speed is very, very well programmed. It's not jerky at all. 23 inches.
Wow. Outside to outside? Or the,
About 24 inches. 23 up here.
and inside the
19, that's good. These are pretty strong too, it seems like. It's very smooth. So, not very fast. Probably as fast as you. I like how it's programmed. I like it smooth. So yes, if you're looking at this chair online, I know we're not a dealer of them yet, but I think you're gonna like it. It's a nice chair. What is it, the Super PI? The P2.
Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.